What is up, guys? Welcome back. We're going camping. As you can see, I got my light. He got his headlamp. Let's turn that thing. Oh.
I'm a monkey.
He has a big headlamp. I have a headlamp on, but it's my hat.
Should we shut off the light now?
It's fine. They'll shut it off. We also got walkie-talkies, so. I also have the night vision scope in here, just in case we see something strange, like a coyote or something. Because last night, we saw a coyote over there by the feeder. So, yeah, let's go. This is the last trip we made.
Yeah, we had to come back like 5 times since we've been in here.
Yeah, open in the tent. Here we go, inside the tent. Got a couple snacks. We got the pell rifle, night vision scope. Yeah, guys. Got some, I got the phones and everything. Trying to turn off this hat. So yeah, we are gonna go to sleep. We'll try to. We're gonna watch our phones, and then if we go to sleep and we wake up to hear something strange, we will come back to you guys.